In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Zoho Mail with CyberPanel hosting. So if you're using a CyberPanel and want to connect it with Zoho Mail, this tutorial will guide you through the process, and I'll walk you through the setting up Zoho Mail as your email provider on CyberPanel to ensure your website emails work properly. So now on the left side, click the domains and then click the plus add button on the upper left corner on the main interface of domains here in Zoho Mail. So once you click the add domain, you will see there the enter your domain name and then click the add, and you will see a DNS verification instructions. Unfortunately, I can show you directly of how to add it because of restrictions here in Zoho Mail. As you can see in here, I need a active domain in order to work with Zoho Mail. So let's head over to the CyberPanel official website. So search for CyberPanel and CyberPanel. Look for CyberPanel and this is it. And in here, log into your CyberPanel dashboard. You can click the login or get started if you're new here in CyberPanel. And once you're in there, navigate to DNS and then add delete records and then select your domain and add the text record provided by Zoho for verification, and then save the record and wait for DNS propagation, and then go back to Zoho Mail and click verify. And after that, in CyberPanel, you can go to the DNS and then add delete records and add the MX records given by Zoho, and add the SPF record, add the DKIM record, and the other stuffs. And then after that, save all records and wait for DNS changes to take effect. And that's it. You can set up now your Zoho Mail and CyberPanel. And after that, test email sending in CyberPanel. If it's worked, then it's successful. And that's how you connect Zoho Mail with CyberPanel hosting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.